This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Look at all this color and fresh ingredients, CoastLife. That means we are at Benvenuto in Milford for our dish of the week. And here we have Chef Zeus. How are you doing today?
That's me. How are you?
Doing good. What are we making today? What's on the menu?
Well, thank you so much for being here. So this is a very simple dish, but it's one of these old school dishes that folks every now and then come in and ask for, hey, can you make this? And I'll make it if they want, you know. But this is a chicken Francese.
So basically, we're talking about chicken in a fluffy egg batter, golden light and full of flavor. And Zeus says the secret starts with one thing: seasoning every step.
Now, what I did first was I seasoned this flour.
Okay, what did you season this with?
So just salt and pepper.
Okay.
All right, because I don't know. I mean, I don't know where you get your flour.
Mine usually doesn't come seasoned.
Mine doesn't come seasoned
So why
either.
are we seasoning the flour?
Well, you know, you want to sort of, you know, season every component, all right? If we're going to do some of the egg, all right, let's add a little seasoning to the eggs, because again, the eggs don't come seasoned.
Right.
All right?
Once the chicken is coated and hits the pan, that's when the magic happens.
See that? And we add our chicken to that.
Nice.
Okay? Now, you can see already, all right, by the edges, that this chicken's cooking up nicely.
Yes.
Okay? And again, we're looking for that color, okay? So we're adjusting our heat here, all right? And this is one of those dishes where every saute cook's like, oh my goodness, I got a chicken Francese, right? Because it's something that you have to really, you know, sort of pay attention to. You can't just kind of put it up there and just let it go.
Gotcha.
So already I can start smelling that egg.
Yeah, and I'm seeing it jumping a little bit too.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm just going to kind of lift up the edges a little bit. And what you're looking for is just a lightly brown, almost omelet color.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to show you what this looks like, because I've done like a million of these. How beautiful that is.
Oh, wow, that is a perfect color,
See that?
Zeus.
After a few minutes in the pan, the chicken goes into the oven to finish. Now here's where things really start to smell amazing. Zeus builds his sauce right in the same pan, layering flavor on top of flavor.
We're going to use some capers here.
Nice.
Okay, because capers make this dish. All right, so our capers, we add some nice saltiness, okay?
Yeah.
And now what I want to do is, say you would think to add this garlic first. We're just going to add a little bit of garlic. We're not going to
Why
toast this
didn't we
garlic.
do it first?
Well, I like that bite in there.
Okay.
So we're just going to sort of cook this into here, all right? So we're sort of cooking the garlic, not necessarily toasting it, all right? We're going to add
What's
some
that?
stock. So our stock, our chicken stock,
Okay.
we're going to add to this as well, okay? And we're just going to sort of bring this up, all right, to a nice rolling simmer.
Okay.
All right, and I have here some butter.
Okay.
I also have here
Lemons.
some lemon.
A little butter, a splash of wine, and that hit of lemon. Zeus even adds a little Parmesan and fresh parsley, because details matter. It's the kind of sauce that makes you want to dive right in.
So you notice the longer it sits here, the thicker it gets, right?
Yes.
So I think what we're going to do now is we are going to go pull our chicken, okay?
Yep.
And we're going to plate it up, all right? I'll be right back.
Yep. Fresh out of the oven, CoastLife. Look at this crispy golden chicken right here. Zeus, this looks perfect.
So now,
Ooh,
look at that.
Zeus. Oh my God,
This
I'm
is our
getting so
sauce.
hungry.
I know, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
All right.
That looks good.
Oh my
CoastLife.
goodness, it is so good. It is so good.
And I love how you're putting it a little bit on, a little bit
Yes,
around. The
yes.
presentation here is really
It
everything.
really is, you know. And then what we're going to do to finish this, we have a little,
Oh, I
just a
love
little,
this mix of color.
yeah, it's a little fresh tomato salad here.
Cute.
All right, we have a little basil in here. We have some tomatoes, some onion, some peppers.
Yes.
All right, just to bring a nice pop of color and
that looks
flavor.
really pretty.
All right, and of course, to do our final finish, we're going to just take a nice lemon wedge and just kind of sit him up there like that. And there you have
Gorgeous.
a beautiful chicken Francese.
And just look at that crispy golden chicken, silky sauce, and all that color, a perfect plate of comfort and elegance. And if you're drooling just watching this, here's a little bonus.
Come here to Benvenuto in Milford. Make sure you mention you saw this on CoastLife, because guess what? you get 10% off of this dish. Can't beat
It's
that.
nice, isn't it?
This is really
It
nice.
really is. We need a turntable for this.
I
dish.
know.
I want to just turn it
Put
for
those
you guys at
effects
home.
in there.
Yes. Let's pretend my hands aren't in here. It's a
Yep. This is
turntable.
our great editor.
there you
Putting
go.
our turntable chicken right here. But listen, I hope it tastes as good as it looks, and I can't wait to dig into this, Zeus.
Oh, we're gonna do it.
Let's do it. Zeus, I'm digging right into this. I'm gonna make sure I get a little bit of everything. You dig in this too. I wanna make sure, don't let me eat it all.
No,
Don't let me
you're
hog it.
good. You're good.
Yeah, I do wanna get some of this color. I wanna get some of the sauce. Ooh. Yeah, it's gonna be a good bite right here. Cheers.
Cheers. That's good.
Instant burst of flavor. Wow. Zeus, this is amazing.
I can taste the egg and everything.
You do, and it's like a little tangy too.
Yes.
I kind of like that. Wow.
Yep, that's that lemon. That
Yes.
lemon. I gotta get another piece. I'm sorry.
No, listen, me too. So while me and Zeus are eating CoastLife, you definitely have to stop in here. It's definitely worth it. You're gonna wanna come to Benvenuto in Milford for this week's dish of the week because it is absolutely amazing. You're not gonna want to miss it. It is worth the drive. But you know what else is worth it? CoastLife. So don't go anywhere. There's more on the way.